Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make a burrito bowl. First, ensure you have all your ingredients prepped and ready to go for a smooth assembly process. Start with a base of warm rice, then add your cooked protein. This method saves time and allows for quick customization, making dinner simple and delicious. Having everything ready beforehand truly makes a difference. For a classic burrito bowl, begin with a generous serving of fluffy rice. Next, layer in your preferred protein. Seasoned chicken or savory ground beef works wonderfully. Don't forget the beans, which add a hearty texture and nutritional boost. A spoonful of corn and a dollop of fresh salsa will brighten every bite, creating a balanced and satisfying meal. Building your burrito bowl is the fun part. Start by placing your rice, protein, and beans into your bowl. Then, pile on your favorite fresh toppings like crisp lettuce, juicy tomatoes, and creamy avocado slices. A drizzle of a flavorful dressing or a dollop of sour cream ties everything together. Finish with a sprinkle of fresh cilantro and a squeeze of lime for that perfect tangy kick. To make burrito bowls even easier, consider meal prepping your components. Cook a large batch of rice and protein, then chop all your veggies at once. This way, you can assemble a fresh bowl in minutes any day. Remember to check the description below for the link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other fantastic deals. Storing ingredients separately ensures everything stays fresh and delicious for several days, making healthy eating effortless.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.